ducks went out to play, waddling, quacking all the way. Over the hill and far from sight, come back home, called Mom at night. Four little ducks came running fast. One stayed back to munch the grass. Over the hill they loved to roam. Quack, 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 come back home. Three little ducks splashed in a stream, chasing bubbles in a dream. Over the hill they played all day. Come back home, called Mom their way. Two little ducks found bugs to eat, tapping, snapping with their feet. Over the hill they laughed with glee. Come back home, called Mom with plea. One little duck felt all alone, far from friends and far from home. Over the hill he heard a song. Quack, 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 you've been gone too long.